Good morning, viewers, and just now that you have watched before a few minutes, Chandra Kumar that who came on stage and he told you about the Morton liquidizer, and I think one boy is standing that him is that he is also that from this institute, and he that would like to say some things, and just you listen that from him that what is he going to speak about that, and I think just now that is to tell you about the gas, coal, and wood. Just before few minutes that you have heard it from all the students, they told you that in a group, and just they told you that individual. Same like that, this boy is standing here, and who is going to tell you about the gas, coal, oven, gas, coal, and wood. What's his good name?
My name is Jitendra Kumar Singh.
Where are you from?
I am from Tukkadi.
Then you know about the gas, coal, and wood.
Yes, gas, coal, and wood is wood are a source of a fuel.
But I think in his family, I think what kind of things are they using? Gas, coal, or wood? Means because three are your source of fuels. Three you can use at your house, but some gives much problem, some gives little problem, and some gives no problem. Then in that situations, that what would you like to say about this gas, coal, and wood? Just you tell them that. Very well by which they can learn and by which means they can follow your words. How many that housewives are there? Means they are using that at their houses, and this boy that is going to the clear that which is the best according to the family, according I think to houses. Then just Jitendra Kumar that you tell them and you inspire them. How many that housewives are there? How will they have to take precautions that whenever they are using the gas, coal, or wood? Come on, keep speaking.
Nowadays, all the family use gas because it's very useful in preparing foods. But in preparing foods, every family use gas cylinder because it's not involved huge price. It gives in only few price. Gas is very useful in nowadays because earlier days you use wood and coal in earlier time. When you use wood in earlier time, many people cuts trees, which is very harmful for us because trees gives oxygen. Without tree, we don't live in this environment. Because the reason is that trees gives oxygen, and that's why it is necessary to don't cut the trees. And coal is formed millions of years wastage, and now the coals are used and consumed now at a time more, and after sometimes it's not there, and all not there, and gas is useful for us when you prepared foods, but sometimes it's dangerous because when you prepare food on home, and a little child who is in your home, you sometimes you forget to you opened the switch of gas and you forget it. When then child does different activities, they just burn through the matchsticks, and when comes in contact of gas with fire, it's a burns, and it's a dangerous for us. It's a blast the homes. That's why it takes some precautions in using gas, because it is necessary. And coal, and it is a produce a less amount of pollution. It is important to don't pollute the environment, because the pollution rate is very high in our country, and many earlier time, and some families now at a time also use the coal in preparing food, because in preparing food, because you don't think to use gas, they just use the coals. And coals, when you prepared food with coals, they produce huge amount of pollution, which is very harmful for our environment with and your health. My suggestion is that don't use the coal. I think you should use gas in preparing foods and doing other activities. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Hi viewers, just now you have watched this boy that told you about the gas, coal and wood. And just this boy that I would like to tell you that his name is Jitendra Kumardan and he is from Tupkadi Station Road, and he has been coming here for his 2 months, and he is studying is really very well. It means not that he is studying only this, that he also study that he just subjects, but he says that I have no any problem that whenever that I prepare that my subject things, my subject articles, but I think he divert only that in hour here, and within an hour that he is learning English, he is writing, and he is learning everything. That he says that I have no any trouble that while studying my own courses. But I think I have been coming here for 2 months and I am gaining the lot of things that from here, and I will keep it studying, and I will keep learning that these all things. Then just you can inspire by this boy, and he can tell you the lot of things that what is the secret mystery of the learning English, and how did he made that it easy. That's why a lot of guys are here. So all they have been studying for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 7 months, and they are doing him is very well here, and they perform very well whenever that I give them any topics, and they come here and they speak some things on the topics. तो अभी आपने देखा कि ये लड़का जिन्होंने अपना नाम जो है जितेंद्र कुमार बताया, और ये टुपकाडी से हैं, और ये 2 महीने से यहाँ जो है पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, और इन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई को करते हुए अंग्रेजी को ये सीख रहे हैं, अंग्रेजी कन्वर्सेशन सीख रहे हैं, और ये कहते हैं कि मुझे इसको पढ़ने में कोई तकलीफ़ नहीं हो रही है, कि हमारे जो कोर्स है ये बीकॉम के स्टूडेंट हैं, और ये स्टूडेंट जो है अपना पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हैं और यहाँ स्पोकन इंग्लिश भी कर रहे हैं। तो ये स्पोकन इंग्लिश जो है इनके पढ़ाई में कोई बाधा नहीं डाल रही है, ये आराम से इसकी तैयारी कर रहे हैं और यहाँ अंग्रेजी भी सीख रहे हैं। तो अगर जो विद्यार्थी प्रयास करते हैं, सोचते हैं कि मुझे पढ़ाई के साथ साथ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भी करना है, तो वो आराम से कर सकते हैं। आप ये कभी ना सोचें कि मैं इस चीज़ को कर रहा हूँ तो मैं दूसरा काम नहीं कर सकता हूँ। अगर आप थोड़ा सा विचार कर लें मन में, तो आप दूसरी शिक्षा भी आप प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। The same like that, if you have decided to learn that any other things, spoken English, that you are thinking, no, after 6 months I will do that, after 1 year I will do that. But it's not to think that you have to think always the positive, that how can I gain the lot of things that in short time. And this boy that is such that a proof. This boy is such a instance that he can teach you, he can inspire you the some things that whenever that he speaks something among that a lot of people. Okay, thanks you a lot, my friends.